This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Margot McFarland. Sitting atop a bluff, the views from this exquisite home will stop you in your tracks. The current owners have spared no expense to make this home picture perfect. Ideal for a large family or for those who like to entertain, prepare to be awed. The kitchen is a chef's dream with double ovens, separate refrigerator and freezer, gas 6-burner stove, and gorgeous leathered granite countertops. The bar or man cave, huge recreation room, outdoor gazebo and grill, fire pit and pool are perfect for weekend football parties. And just wait until you see the primary suite with a huge, beautifully designed marble ensuite with his and her separate closets. There are 5 additional bedrooms, so feel free to welcome the entire family for holidays. This house is built from concrete block with a stucco coating and is tested and maintained yearly. Owners plan to stay here forever. You will be hard-pressed to find a home of this quality anywhere else. For more information, review the details below.